We were one of the first to ride Tiana's Bayou adventure, and here's our honest review. As expected and anticipated, the story is lacking. This was something that everyone knew out of the gate. Ever since Disney announced the storyline, people had questions about whether it would live up to Splash Mountain. It does not. Splash Mountain had a strong plot and storyline, however Tiana's Bayou adventure fell well short of that. That's what happens when Disney rushes into a retheme during a heated political controversy. From an animatronic standpoint, there are improvements over the 1989 animatronics. However, they are nowhere near as impressive as those from the Tangled ride in Tokyo. The music is a letdown. There was just something magical about plunging into the Briar Patch and hearing the Academy Award-winning song Zippity Doo Dah. The new finale song Special Spice is far from special and might as well have been written by AI, and probably was. There's no meaning or significance to the song. When it comes to the looks and aesthetics of the ride, the exterior is great, the interior is not. The inside of the ride is dark and gloomy, however the outside is bright and vibrant, especially at night. For the full review, click the link in our bio or visit mousetrapnews.com.